Like common.
Like common.
Like
Common.
What is this place?
Who owns all this? How long has it been here?
How long will it be here?
Think we could cross the bridge.
Stop!
Oh.
Stop! Travellers, stand!
Oh, please. Sorry about this.
Who are you who seek to enter my domain? For none shall pass without a name.
Well, my name's Tony, and I'm the guide. I'm just taking everyone to watch a play in the wood.
Play?
Yes.
What is this trickery you say? State your purpose strong and clear, or you will never enter here.
Well, we're just on a journey to the woodlands and exploring the mystery and history of the place. That's all.
Many have come, a few have stayed, but all who cross my land have strayed. Some for good, some for ill, but none have passed but by my will. Your kind have travelled through this place, but why should I admit your race, when in your greed you do condone, taking things you do not own? Why is it that I find the things you people leave behind that have no place in my domain? And some there are who have no shame.
Well, I'm sure that's none of our audience here, is it? None of you have left. No, and we shan't. We shan't steal or take anything that doesn't belong to us. In fact, we promise, don't we? We'll only leave our footprints. Is that okay with everybody? Yeah, there we are. Can we pass that?
You seek a mystery, so you say. So in my realm I'll let you stray.
Oh, thank you.
But this condition I place on you, you're here because you're passing through. 2 riddles I'll set you as a task.
Riddles.
Answer the first and you may pass. The second riddle keep in mind, because I have yet to trust your kind. The first riddle.
First riddle.
Of what do I speak? I have rings, but I've no fingers. A crown, but I'm no king. I stand the test of ages, and life to your future bring. Of what do I speak?
Anyone got any? You're not going to get anyone. Yes.
Sounds like a tree.
Sounds like a tree. A tree. Yes. A tree.
You answer well, stranger. The second riddle. Who am I? I am not bound by time or place. Many guises you'll see.
I lie in the earth through the frost or snow, through the dark months of winter when nothing will grow, when fields bare and lapwing follow the plough, and berries of holly hang thick on the bough. Leaves all lie rotting, for nothing can last, and memories of summer fade into the past. My sleep is rest for the wood ones, in sleep I give rest to the wood ones. roses.
Don't answer now.
oh.
But think on this well, for when you seek to leave my broad domain, I shall require of you my name. Should you fail to speak it clear, my spell will surely keep you here.
Right, well, we'll be thinking about it on our way. And so if you just let us, which way do we go?
Who came before?
Once a meeting place.
Drovers on the way to market.
How long has it been here?
Who owns all this?
they're poachers, stealing deer, or rabbits, or maybe they're smugglers with guns. Should we go and fetch your dad?
You get galoot, they're drovers.
What?
Taking livestock to market. I've seen him before. That one there, he'll owe my dad some money for a new cart.
They don't look like that sort of people. What are they doing here anyway?
Ask them. They don't bite. Go on.
Enough of that. Take no notice, children. This is where we stay when we're here. For a while.
Keeping our animals safe before market tomorrow morning.
Told you.
Children, always asking questions. Clear off. Go on, you're scaring the animals.
Don't bring no harm.
Yeah. That's right, they're not doing any harm. Oh, children.
They love the woods like we do.
Do you want to hear a story? A fairy story?
Yes, we like fairies.
I used to, but I'm too grown up now.
Music, Amos.
Ah, come on, Amos. What I like. Music. I'm the music man.
Oh,
Hurry up, Amos.
Okay,
Get on with the story. Enough. Amos, we'll never tell the story this way.
Enough. Stop it.
Oh, just when I was getting going.
Right. Now, children, there was once a drover we met up over at Shaftesbury Hill. And he told us that one night when he was out driving his sheep, a fairy came and took away his baby.
It's true. His wife Margaret heard a noise outside and went to see what was going on.
What you need to know about Margaret is that she was light of hand for the cooking, light of foot for the dancing, and light of heart for the living.
Yes. Till the fairies came and left her with a changeling in its crib. An ugly fairy baby with sharp teeth and a laugh to set your own teeth on edge.
Don't go frightening the children.
I'm not frightened.
Nor me, but actually I think I might be.
You're even frightening the cattle now.
Whoa.
What happened to Margaret's baby?
Was it hurt?
No, the fairies took him to their secret lair in the heart of the forest.
Margaret had to go and find the baby herself.
She entered into the secret chamber.
Whoa, don't forget about the traveller that she met on the way when she stopped in the glade to rest.
that's right. There was this strange old gent came walking down the forest path.
In a puff of dust!
He hadn't a bite to eat, not a morsel.
So Margaret was very kind and shared the little food that she had with him.
Afterwards, the bearded gent said he got nothing to repay her kindness except an old rusty horseshoe nail.
And Margaret wondered what on earth it was good for. But she didn't want to embarrass him, so she took it and put it in Langford and thanked him.
And it comes in useful.
Don't spoil the story.
Spoil the story.
Margaret forgot all about the horseshoe nail and hurried on till she reached the lair of the fairies.
Right, me again now. Can I carry on? Right. So, Margaret goes and enters into the secret lair, high up in the hill, in the middle of the forest. And with a creak, the door opened, and she entered down some wooden steps. Up into a vast chamber with lamps shining all around on the wall. And she saw a fairy holding her lovely baby.
And she demanded they gave it back.
Then the queen of the fairies, she stepped out of the shadows. Come this way, come this way. She was dressed in grey from head to toe and looked cold as ice. And she told Margaret.
Margaret, she said, I hear that you're light of hand for the cooking, light of foot for dancing, and light of heart for the living. Would you be prepared to give in that up, such as your lightness of hand,
And Margaret
in
nodded.
order to get your baby back?
Margaret nodded. Yes, she would.
And the fairy queen reached out her long, thin arm and touched Margaret's hand. And all at once, it felt heavy as lead and fell to her side.
You getting scared now, child?
No.
Nor was Margaret. She cried out, "Give me my baby back."
But the fairy queen said,
I never promised to give you your baby back. I just wanted to find out what you'd give up to get it back. But I've heard that you're light of foot for the dancing. Would you be prepared to give that up to get your baby back?
Margaret nodded to say yes.
And the fairy queen reached out her long, thin arm and touched Margaret's foot. And all at once, it felt heavy as lead, and she could hardly move it.
Enough! You are scaring everybody now.
I said we're not afraid.
Go on, please.
Margaret shouts,
"Give me my baby back."
I never promised to give your baby back. I want to find out what you'll give up in order to get it back. I've heard that you're light of heart. How would it be to have a heavy heart?
Margaret stopped to think. What would life be like if every day she had a heavy heart?
And what did she do?
She stepped forward, she grabbed her baby, and she ran away as fast as she could.
Across the hollow chamber.
Through the little door in the hill, down towards the dark wood, where she slipped over, cut her heavy leg.
And there was a fluttering and a whizzing of wings of the fairy wings beating behind her. And the fairy queen screamed.
Oh! Get her! Stop her! She's got the baby!
But when Margaret tripped, something fell out of her pocket with a clink.
The horseshoe nail.
She'd forgotten all about it.
But she picked it up.
And made it into the shape of a cross, just as the fairies arrived. Oh! The fairies screamed! Ah!
She's got steel! Cold steel!
You see, fairies can't cross rivers.
Rivers? Oh no! Oh.
Or cold steel.
Or cold steel! Oh no!
Off with you! Off
So they all scurried up the hill, far away.
And Margaret and her baby were safe.
But didn't she still have a heavy heart?
And a heavy hand.
And a heavy foot?
No, she was back to normal again. She vanquished the fairies' powers.
So, you see, why you shouldn't go looking for fairies in the wood.
Oh, enough, it's just a story.
About bad fairies. Proper fairies are kind.
Yes. And anyway, if you're brave like Margaret,
I am very brave.
Me too.
No, you're not. You're scared of a mouse.
I'm not. That's a fib.
No! Can't catch me!
He likes your story.
The wood is full of stories.
Of people who've been here before.
Looking after people's livestock.
Looking after the woods. It needs looking after.
Earning a living as best we can.
Out in all weathers, sheltering from storms. Walk through the wood and you'll hear them.
If you know how to listen.
Listen. And look.
Upon the railway, I was wearing covered breeches,
gaining ditches, burning ditches, burning bridges. I was working on the railway. In 1847, I was in my broken down. I was in a burden and to work upon the railway. I was wearing the ditches, gaining ditches, burning ditches, burning bridges. I was working on the railway.
Wimborne I give to you, man whose vision, broad and clear, brought the railway line through here. Trains ran across this common land, London to Wimborne, what he planned. So meet the man who did aspire, one Charles Castleman, Esquire.
On behalf of the board of the South Western shareholders, it gives me great pleasure to officially open the westward line. The railway has arrived in Wimborne at last. This day will go down in the annals of Wimborne's history, no longer a sleepy country town, but an artery beating fast with the blood of progress, heading westward. New manures for our farmers, new profits for our shops, profits and progress, speed and success. Remember, only 4 hours to London, London to Winchester, Winchester to Southampton, Southampton to West Moors, West Moors to Wimborne.
3 cheers for Mr. Castleman. Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip, hooray!
All aboard the Castleman Express.
The railway across the common didn't last. Mere 100 years and it was past. Came and went in a round rustle of growing and shedding leaves. One day a powerful man sharpened his axe and cut the railway like cutting sheaves. Now what was his name? What was his name? Dr. Birching comes to mind. No, that's not right. Is that right? Beaching! I knew it was something of an arboreal kind. Anyway, this land became growing wilderness again. To the wildlife, to the mystery, to the magic came a few humble souls to seek themselves or lose themselves or both. Come, watch, and listen to their truth.
Lost in the forest. I broke off a dark twig and lifted its whisper to my thirsty lips. Maybe it was the voice of the rain crying, a cracked bell, or a torn heart. Something from far off, it seemed, deep and secret, hidden by the earth. A shout muffled by huge autumn, by the moist half-open darkness of the leaves. Wakening from the dreaming forest there, the hazel sprig sang under my tongue, its drifting fragrance wind up through my conscious mind, as if suddenly roots I had left behind crying out to me. The land I had lost with my child. And I stopped, wounded by the wandering scent.
The girt woke tree that's in the down. When evening twilight or the moon drove light enough within the place to show the smile upon her face, with eyes so clear as the glassy pool, and lips and cheeks so soft as wool, there, hand in hand, with bosoms warm with love that burned but thought no harm, below that wide bowed tree we passed the happy hours that went too vast. And though she'll never be my wife, she's still my leading star of life. She's gone, and she've a left to me her token of the girt woke tree.
I have seen and endured the sufferings of the troops, and I can no longer be party to prolonging them for ends which I believe to be evil and unjust. I am not protesting against the conduct of the war, but against the political errors and insincerities for which the fighting men are being sacrificed. This is my protest. Lieutenant Siegfried Sassoon, 3rd Battalion, Royal Welsh Fusiliers, July 1917.
Green man in the garden, staring from the tree. Why do you look so long and hard? Through the pain at me? Your hat is made of ivy leaf, of bark your dancing shoes, and evergreen and green and green, your jacket and shirt and trews. I bolted up the window. I bolted up the door. I drew the blind that I should find the green man nevermore. But when I softly turned the stair, as I went up to bed, I saw green man standing there. Sleep well, my friend, he said.
Lean down and see your little face reflected in the forest pool.
Foxgloves grow about the place. Forget-me-nots grow green and cool.
Look deep and see the naiad rise to meet the sunshine of your eyes.
Lean down and see how fair your face, how gold your hair.
Ah, look no more! The water stirs!
The naiad weeps your face to see. Fly, fly, before she steals the charm.
Fly, fly, before she steals the
Fly, fly,
Fly, fly, before she steals the charm. The pool has trusted to her arms. Fly, fly, before she steals the charm. The pool has trusted to her arms. Fly, fly, before she steals the charms. The pool has trusted to her arms. Fly, fly, before she steals the charms.
Trusted to your arms. Fly, fly, before she steals the arms.
To her arms.
Whoever you fight for knows the people. Whoever you fight for knows the people, but don't say.
Yes.
That is what the history is, Answer. You can't get it back. Otherwise there'll be no chance of affordable housing.
With our eyes are on our precious moon once again, to build a road where willows stood and many a woodland end. We gotta stand our ground and fight for every tree. So hey there, city lights, fare thee well. So stand up, you kindred soul. Oh, stand up, you kindred souls, and all gather round to help the green man make a stand. Gather round. Well, the birds are humming sweet and low, warrior lullaby. They're calling out to all the moon to kiss those plans goodbye. So stand up, you kindred souls. Oh, stand up, you kindred souls, and all gather round to help the green man make a stand. Gather round.
Look! They're coming! Oh, are they already here? Do you like my house? I'm going to live in it forever. The thing is, I like playing in these woods, but to live in it? What about electricity? We have no light. We don't need them. We can see by the light of the stars. But what about TV or heating? We'd freeze in the night. Campfires and toasted marshmallows. It'll be great. We can make up stories. But what? It's a bit creepy what with naiads and green men as our neighbours. Forever it will last. Come on, let's go over here. You're crazy. Wait for me.
Winter follows autumn as summer follows spring. The seasons change from growth to slow decay in one unbroken ring. Your journey's almost at its end. Our story's nearly done. But these woods and glades and boggy places will remain, and we are all long gone. Before you leave this place, one question still unanswered stands, the one I set you as a test when first you walked my lands. My magic still holds you fast, as strong as when you came. To gain release, I ask you now, clearly speak my name. Robin Hood. Thank you so much, cast. Any idea? No? Then I must leave you here.
Green man.
The Green Man. You answer well. So from my sorcery you're free, and from our bond as actors, so are we.
Thank you for coming on this journey with us this afternoon where we had some lovely sunshine. I was telling a bit of a porky pie when I said earlier to the Green Man that we would leave nothing but our footprints. What? Oh, but it's all right, it's okay, because we're going to give everybody a leaf and a pencil or a crayon, anything you like to about woods. It could be a memory from your childhood of a special moment in the woods. It could be about this afternoon, a special moment for you on the walk.
I think I'll look around for a rolling tree. I think I'll look around for a rolling tree. Oh, what's this pain I feel, God? You think I'm uptight, but I'm not. She said I look around for a rolling tree, and I can't find. So I think I'll look around for a drinking stream. I think I'll look around for a drinking stream, where they say you turn the water to wine. Well, I think they may be right this time. It's just that I look around for a drinking stream, and I can't find. Oh, the mighty oak tree's lost its gift of shade. Our woodlands and our rivers fade away, all for the road and the going town, and the blind is found in the mud and I think I'll look around for a nightingale. I think I'll look around for a nightingale. Well, set your eyes on the eagle's flight, for the eyes of God lost their sight. It's just that I look around for a nightingale, and I can't find.
are stories in the sigh of every tree, in a woodland dream, in a woodland dream. And there are glades where drovers took their ease, in a woodland dream. And the last time the dream came to me, they were clearing the woodland like the wind, and the stories came